I delayed appearing for my PMP examination due to one reason or the other. Initially, it was the fear of not being fully prepared. Later on, it was unable to balance between my work life, my personal life and academics. Then came the big one, the pandemic. This was a situation which absolutely made me sure that I would not be appearing for this examination unless and until this COVID situation passes away. But here I am after a few months of study and scoring above target on 5 areas in the PMP examination. This is Amey Shivsagar and let's see what it is like to appear for the PMP examination in 2020. The PMP has been a lot flexible during this period and has made a lot of changes to help the PMP aspirants. For example, they have delayed the launch of the new edition of PMBOK 7 till next year 2021. PMI has waived off the exam rescheduling fees during these times. The most important thing what they did was providing an option of appearing the examination from home. Well, they still have the option open in which the aspirants can go to the center for a center-based testing, which was shut down due to the lockdowns, but pretty much all the centers around the globe are now open. I'll be talking about what to expect if you're appearing for the examination in 2020 from home and also from examination center during these times. So let's begin. Now, appearing for the examination from home. If you have decided to appear for the PMP examination from home, that is from Pearson OnView, here are some points which should be considered. Read the technical documentation spec for more details, which is in the description. Now here are some tips which will help you understand what to expect before the examination. First, be prepared. If you have a frequent power cut issue at your house, even if you don't, get a UPS which will provide you a continuous power backup for the router. So there won't be any intermittent power breaks. Not to forget, charge your laptop battery to its fullest extent so that it should provide you a backup for at least 4 hours. Try to have a personal laptop which has Windows 8 or above. Pearson VUE strongly recommends not to use office laptops while appearing for the examination, as many firms' firewalls block the Pearson VUE application. There are some sites which needs to be added as trusted sites. So if you are planning to appear for the examination using your office laptop, I would highly recommend to check with your IT and then see if those sites can be added as trusted sites, and make sure that you have a proper system check before you are planning for the examination. Once you have the setup ready, that is the system, the broadband, UPS or power backup, do some simulations like sitting at one place for 4 hours and solving sample tests. Turning the power off and running the system on battery and UPS helps a lot. Run the system test well in advance, that is the camera, mic and system from Pearson OnView site. Now what to expect during the examination? First, make sure your room is decluttered. Carry your passport or driver's license with you. Pearson VUE does not allow having any electronic devices, food, tobacco or chewing gum, even water near you. So be prepared. Now, first thing, you have to take photos. The link is received via text message on your registered mobile phone at time of exam. So you might be confused now when I said earlier that Pearson VUE doesn't allow using any mobile phones or any electronic devices. How can a mobile phone be in the surrounding? So there is a catch. You can have your mobile phone at the start of the examination, click photos of the environment, a link is received, verify that and then keep the phone away from a hand distance. That's how it works. Now, no one can speak loudly near your room. You cannot get out of your room as well, apart from the 10-minute break which you can only take after the 90 questions mark. Now, a proctor is monitoring you while the exam is in progress for the whole time, so don't even think about cheating. You will find a message in the end saying congratulations or thank you for home-based examination. The report card and certificate is generated in 2 days, but you can still go on pearsonvue.com and then in PMI section you can download your scorecard like immediately. That helped me as well. Now, what to expect when appearing for the PMI exam from the center? If you have decided to appear for the exam from center, make a note of these points. First, before the examination, remember to carry original hard copies of either your passport or driver's license again. Read all the instructions in the email before going to the examination center. Now this is very important. Simulate the conditions at home while you are solving the mock tests. You try to practice while wearing a mask, wearing gloves and sit at long durations inside the home, because this is what the scenario is outside in the exam center. You won't be permitted unless and until you have a mask. Wearing a mask for 4 hours is a task in itself, let alone solving an examination with it. But you will be denied an entry if you do not wear a mask. So it's always better to be prepared, do simulations at home. Now, when appearing for the examination from center, what are some interesting tips while solving the examination? So let's have a look. The stopwatch will be in minutes to seconds. in reverse order from 240 minutes. Now this is something what many exam aspirants do not expect to see on the mock test, because either it shows from 0 to 240 or 0 to 60 and then into hours, but it never almost shows from 240 minutes down to 0. So this is something what I never saw into any exam simulators, you know. So practice for that. Many people get confused when they see 240, 239 minutes on the screen. So be prepared for that. Now after 90 minutes, definitely you will get a 10 minutes break. Utilize this break by having a quick bite, a small bio break, or have a walk around. This will help you a lot to refresh, you know. After the examination, you will get a printout copy of your results showing how you did in the 5 process groups: above target, target, below target, or needs improvement. The certificate again is generated in 1 to 2 days. Now, I really don't want to lead you into choosing one of the 2 scenarios. For some of you, going to the examination center and appearing for the examination can be a better option. For some of you, appearing the examination from comfort of your home can be the way to go. Now, what did I do? I chose the PMBOK to decide. Under the knowledge area of risk management, there is a topic of probability and impact matrix. So I created a matrix of my own. Now, considering scenario 1, people who want to appear from the center, herein the probability of somebody contacting the virus is very low as the centers are thoroughly sanitized. But if that happens, the impact will be huge. Maybe home isolation, maybe hospital isolation could also be a risk of life, right? Whereas in scenario 2, if you want to appear for the examination from home, the probability of internet disconnects or power failures is going to be high, which might even lead to termination of your examination. But on the other side, the impact is only going to be $350. Alright, I really hope that this video helped you to understand what it is like to appear for the PMP examination in 2020, be it home or be it examination center, be it anything. Make sure you solve a lot of mock questions before you are prepared and all set to go for the final examination. You can find a link of questions which I created and posted on Udemy in the description below. So make sure you just visit onto that. I wish you all the best for the examination. Don't forget to leave your comments in the section below. This is Ameya from TMT. Goodbye and see you in the next one.